Hello friends, welcome to Dilba's Special Kitchen. Today in our kitchen, we are going to see how to prepare Kaju Katli. This is everyone's favorite sweet recipe. So without any delay, come on, let's get into our kitchen. Before getting into our kitchen, it is very important to choose the cashews and using it in the right way to make a good Kaju Katli. For that, buy an unsalted premium quality cashews, taste them first and make sure it should be fresh in taste and flavor. So now the ingredients are 1 cup cashew, half cup sugar in which you can add 3 to 5 elaichi and quarter cup water and 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Now we are going to grind the cashews, and this is a very important step because over blending the cashews or blending for too long will release oils from cashews. This will not give the right texture to the Kaju Katli. So I'm going to blend this for short time, like 25 to 30 seconds. I have grinded this coarsely. Make sure cashews are powdered as fine as possible without making the powder lumpy. Now I'm going to sieve this cashew powder. So this step makes the cashew powder light, lump free and of uniform smooth texture. You can use a spoon to pass it through the sieve. I added back the coarse grains and blended again. The cashew powder will be slightly grainy but not fine like flour. Now I'm going to prepare the sugar syrup. For that I have taken half cup of sugar and quarter cup of water. Stir gently and dissolve the sugar completely on a medium heat. Sugar can scratch up the non-stick pan, so be gentle. Bring the sugar syrup to a rapid boil. The syrup should be almost around one string consistency. Next, lower the flame completely and add the cashew powder slowly. To make sure the entire powder is added and mix well to ensure there are no lumps. Scrape the sides and the spoon if the powder is stuck. Keep stirring the mixture consistently and cook on a low to medium heat until the mixture begins to thicken. I have already grinded the green cardamom while blending the cashews. So now I have added 1 tablespoon of ghee. If you have the cardamom powder separately, you can add 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder now. As the mixture thickens, it will leave the sides. If not, then add a few drops of ghee again. Now quickly pour the prepared mixture to a greased plate. When the temperature comes down to slightly hot or warm, then grease your hands and knead it well. Within 2 to 3 minutes, the mixture will turn smooth and begin to look slightly dry, means it is good to set. Now cover the mixture using a butter paper or a polythene paper. Roll it to a shape of quarter-inch thickness, applying pressure evenly all over. Cut the size of Kaju Katli, and you can also cut them slightly bigger if you like. First cut diagonally, spacing 1.5 inches between each line. Then cut straight, spacing 1.5 inches between each line. Now tasty Kaju Katli is ready. Even I got in a very good shape. It is very smooth. You can see now. See, and also it tastes really good. Please do try this recipe and share with your friends. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Wish you all a happy, prosperous and safe Diwali. Thank you. Our tasting master is back.
Tasting time. It's so delicious. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.